Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial number 5 of Wireshark Labs. So we will just open Kuro's lab. We'll go on this link. Now we have already covered until UDP, and so today we are going to look about NAT. So we will just open it. So here in this lab we are going to discuss about the NAT. So first of all, we should just see what is it. So a NAT is basically a network address translation. To access the internet, one public IP address is needed, but we can use a private IP address in our private network. The idea of NAT is to allow multiple devices to access the internet, a single public address. To achieve this, the translation of a IP address to a public IP address is required. Network address translation is a process in which one or more IP addresses is translated into one or more global IP address and vice versa in order to provide internet access to the local host. Also, it is the translation of port number, that is makes the port number of the host with another port number in the packet that will be routed to the destination. It then makes the corresponding entries of IP address and port number in the NAT table. NAT generally operates on a router or firewall. So it is the network address translation working. Generally, the border router is configured for NAT, that is a router which has the interface in the local network and one interface in the global network. When a packet travels outside the local network, then NAT converts the local IP address to a global IP address. When a packet enters the local network, the global IP is converted to a local IP address. So now we'll close this and we should go to the link. You need to download the zip folder by clicking on this link. Just click on this and it will get downloaded. I have already downloaded it. So now we are going to open our Wireshark app. Just wait for some time until it gets loaded. So choose the connection whatever you are using. Currently I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm clicking on Wi-Fi, start the capture. So we are going to first stop this. So now we are going to open a file which we have recently downloaded. We have downloaded it. So now you will find a net home site downloaded in your PC already. We have all downloaded it. Now we have to open this, continue without saving. Now what we have to do is we can see there are numbers, source, destination, protocol, length and info. Now here what we have to do is we have to add a time block also. So to add the time column, we have to first column, we have to go on column preferences and then we have to select the time from here. Just click add and show display columns only. Now we'll do OK. And now we can see that we have got the time also in this. So the next thing we are going to look is we need to go to the Kuro's lab. Then we can see there is the Google server of this IP address, we have to go on this server and open the Wireshark. Go to the server right here, HTTP, and just a minute, IP dot address is equal to 64. So we we will go on this. We have to just copy paste this HTTP and IP address. Just copy it from here and paste it over here, and now just go, and now you will see we have got the HTTP and get request HTTP. Now from here we can see its port number. It is 4335 and the destination port is 80, and we can also see many more information by this. So it got a response, okay, and this IP address. Now we have to just go on this time 7.109. Consider now the HTTP get request sent from the client. So we basically get a get request from the client, and for this time we have to check what are the source and destination IP addresses. So we will just go for 710. This is the time, and we have already seen the destination port for this. Now we'll again open the another NET ISP site. We'll open it. Now first we need to close it. Go on files, open the NET IP ISP site. We have already seen this. Now go to this. Now again we will check the HTTP and now again we have to just see for this time 7.109. In this we'll again have to just find the time 7.10. I think this is the time. So it is basically we have hardware type protocol, hardware protocol request, opcode. These are the basic information we have regarding this. So in this lab, I think we have covered most of the part of N18. What is N80 ISP? We will also look on this. Thank you for watching my video of NAT. We have completed this lab. I'll see you in the next lab.